Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create stretching and fading text in CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my CapCut application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create new project. I'm going to select new project right here, and then we're going to go to the library and then search for black background, and we're going to use black background from the CapCut library. Okay, wait, let me filter it to photo. Okay, and use this one, add it to your project, and I'm going to add text to my video. To this black background. We're going to create a text video, and for example, I'm just going to type in text video. Okay, and you can change the font if you want. For me, I'm just going to choose I'm going to choose the free font, this one. Okay, and I'm going to save this text video. Okay, we can click on export, and after the text video has been exported, we're going to create new project, select new project, and you can import the text video you have just exported. Okay, and then we're going to apply animation. I'm going to tap on my video and then select animation, and the first one I'm going to add fade in and also fade out effect. Okay, and then I'm going to add the combo animation as well. Okay, you can scroll down until you find this string animation, string and bounce. Okay, just like this. And the last one, I'm going to add fade out animation. Go to animation, select out, and I'm going to choose fade out. Okay, and this is the final result. Let me play it to show you. Okay, and you can play around with the duration of the animation. Okay, and I'm just going to leave it like that. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.